Introducing SafetyHorse, a new product to help you use your chainsaw safely. So let's turn this mess you find in your backyard or your lot into this. Have all those logs stacked up, and then you can just have at it with the chainsaw. And when you're finished with the larger logs, you just tie down those smaller branches and back at it again. Perform all of your cutting in an upright position. It's comfortable and it's safe. So why not buy SafetyHorse today and remove the fears of using your chainsaw? It's light, easy to assemble, and it's safe.